Success is doing what you want to do, when you want, where you want, with whom you want, and as much as you want. Tony Robbins. Here are the 12 rules of money to never work again. Number 12. Learn the ways of the rich. Rich people have developed a set of behaviors and practices that you can model. They possess a system of beliefs and mindsets that you too can master. If you want to reduce your learning curve and build wealth faster, the best thing you can do is to adapt their habits, follow their footsteps, and if possible, learn from their mistakes. You will save a lot of time and resources if you know how to learn from the wealthy. Number 11. Letting go of your ego is a powerful financial skill. Egoistic and attention-seeking behaviors are the primary causes of overspending. It's better to sacrifice your social status today to boost your financial status in the future. When you calculate your savings as the difference between your income and your egoistic lifestyle, you will see why many individuals with high salaries do not save much. It's a battle that is hard to win when everyone is trying to look better than the other. Those people who have sustained financial prosperity, even on an average income, tend to have no care about what other people think of them. This is a powerful, underestimated financial skill. Number 10. Having multiple sources of income is a key requirement to getting rich. You will need to build different income streams within your expertise and capabilities if you are committed to accumulating great wealth. Set up an online store, create digital products, publish some e-books, scale up your business, monetize your skills, take advantage of the social media, generate passive income from your investments. The more sources of income you have, the more they will compound, and the faster you'll reach financial freedom. So develop the skill of making money while sleeping, and you'll be well on your way to immense prosperity. Number 9. Have a long-term mindset. This is how you create and keep your wealth. Every time you need to make a decision in life, be it in your career, your business and investments, or your relationships, consider asking, will this add value to my long-term wealth? Is it going to increase my earning potential? Will it make a high return on investment? Always be forward-thinking. Your decisions today will either build up or destroy your financial future. Number 8. Keep adding value and the money will follow. By improving the lives of others, your overall value will increase. When you find a solution to someone else's problem, you are improving their quality of life. This can easily turn into profits. How much money you earn is directly proportional to how much value you add to others. If you keep providing value and causing positive impact on people's lives, you are literally attracting wealth to automatically come to you. Number 7. Money attracts more money. Investing and reinvesting your money are powerful combinations for amassing serious wealth. Your money snowballs when it is reinvested. That is the power of compounding, where you earn interest both on your capital and your gains. And the more money you invest, the higher your returns will be. Number 6. You need to be a salesman. In order to achieve huge profits, you need to master the craft of selling. You must know how to persuade clients, investors, and businessmen to purchase the services, product, and ideas you have to offer. You have to develop marketing and advertising skills to convince your target on how your product will add value to their lives. If you don't learn innovative ways to close a sale, you will never succeed in your business. Number 5. Pursue financial literacy. This means knowing and speaking the language of money. Without financial literacy, it is impossible to be wealthy. Be selective on what videos you watch, what books you read, which personalities you listen to, and whom you spend your time with the most. You must filter the information you receive to promote financial education. You'll make wiser financial decisions when you are well-versed in the world of finance. Number 4. Don't procrastinate. You cannot make money merely by having good intentions. Knowing what you should do to improve your circumstances, but not doing it, is actually worse than being ignorant on how to succeed in life. Taking action now is the first step towards financial freedom. It doesn't matter how quickly or slowly you advance, which direction you move, or what method you adopt. What matters is that you keep moving forward and stay consistent with your actions. Number 3. Learn how to say no. Most of us do not want to offend others. That's why we find it hard to say no. But there are certain occasions when saying no will save you a lot of time and money. You do not have to be rude or careless. Learn to politely decline but be firm. Once you made the decision to say no, stick to it and do not be intimidated. It is better to be truthful with yourself and others than to try to please everyone and end up being unhappy and regretful. Number 2. Master the art of negotiation. People who are serious about amassing wealth must learn the art of negotiation. Effective negotiation must include 3 things: emphasizing on the expected benefits to the recipients, assisting them to the fullest extent possible, and making the transaction as seamless as it can be, and allowing them to have the final word so they feel like they have the better end of the deal. Upon going into a deal, be calm and understanding. Have patience and take note that communication is 70% nonverbal. So go beyond what your counterpart is saying by observing their gestures and body language to get a feel of what they are not telling. Be thorough and knowledgeable about the deal on hand. Learn to be flexible and suggest alternatives if applicable. Offer an exchange instead of giving something away for free. Once you master the art of negotiation, you're already halfway to being an excellent deal maker. Before getting into number 1, kindly hit the like button if you're getting any value from this video. With that said, here is number 1. You need a good teamwork to support you. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Henry Ford. Great people, including your friends, family, advisors, and mentors, play a huge role in your pathway to building wealth. They are there to help you manage different areas of your business that you cannot handle on your own. You cannot be an expert in every field, that's why you need the expertise of others. How do you foster a great team? Treat them well, and they will reciprocate you with their strong support. Promote solid and dependable relationships with them. Continue to give value to them, and seek out opportunities to establish trust and loyalty with them. Make sure to check out the next video, as you will surely get a ton of value from it. Thanks, and see you again.